Here's how to scan a QR code on BlueStacks using a saved image instead of a live camera. Open the Play Store inside BlueStacks and sign in with your Google account if prompted. In the search bar, type QR Code Reader. Browse the results and choose an app with high ratings and recent updates, checking the screenshots to confirm it supports scanning directly from a saved image or gallery, since BlueStacks does not have a live camera. Tap Install and wait for it to download inside BlueStacks. Once installed, open the app from your home screen. On the main screen, look for an image or gallery icon at the top and tap it to switch from camera scanning to image scanning mode. Select the QR code image you want to scan from the emulator's gallery or media manager. The clearer the image, the faster the app will decode it. After choosing the image, the app will analyze it and display the result instantly. If it is a link, tap it to open in your browser inside BlueStacks, checking the URL looks legitimate first. If it contains text or a code instead, copy it to your clipboard to paste wherever you need it. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on Step by Click.